Hello, welcome to my channel, Heritage Horizon. Today we discuss about the culture of Pune. Dive into the heart of India as we explore the vibrant and rich culture of Pune, a city that beautifully weaves history into the fabric of its everyday life. Pune's cultural roots reach deep into the Maratha Empire, reflected in traditional dance forms like Lavani and Povada. The city's iconic turban, the Puneri Pagadi, stands as a symbol of honor and pride. The echoes of Pune's grand past resonate in every corner, shaping a unique cultural narrative that is hard to forget. From the echoes of history, we step into the enticing aromas of Pune's culinary scene. Here, the food is more than a mere sustenance. It's a language of love, a celebration of culture. The city's bustling streets and corners brim with traditional Maharashtrian dishes like puran poli and misal pav, each with a tale as rich as their flavors. And the famous Mastani drink, a testament to Pune's innovative spirit. Pune's food culture is a gastronomic journey that beautifully blends tradition with innovation. From its historical roots and tantalizing flavors, Pune has blossomed into a vibrant modern city with a thriving arts scene. The city pulses with life, its heartbeat resonating in the theaters where gripping dramas unfold, in the music festivals that echo with melodies, and in the art exhibitions showcasing contemporary masterpieces. Pune's fashion, a beautiful blend of traditional and modern, further exemplifies this dynamic city's spirit. Pune's modern culture is a vibrant tapestry of arts and fashion, a testament to the city's dynamic spirit. From the whispers of history to the rhythm of modernity, Pune is a city that lives and breathes culture. Our odyssey has taken us from the captivating traditional dance forms and the vibrant attire that echo the city's ancient soul, to the tantalizing flavors that define Pune's culinary landscape. We've explored the city's modern canvas, brimming with a thriving art scene. Pune's culture is a beautiful symphony of the old and the new, an enchanting melody that captures the heart of every visitor. Experience Pune, experience culture.